This is our game Change of Fate, and here's how you play it.
First, each player will take 3 tokens. The tokens will be either lucky or poison. Next, everyone will place their tokens faced up on their 3 circles sides of the board. It is important that you try to memorize not only yours but what everyone else has, because the objective of the game is to not end with 3 poisons by the end of the round, and you want to be the last one standing. Now everyone must turn their tokens face down. To start the round, everyone will draw an item card and place it in front of them faced up so everyone can see. Once everyone has one item card, the first person may start and take their turn. They start by flipping over an item card and deciding if they want to play one or more of their item cards or move to the next person. If they want to move to the next person, they must say so verbally. If you get a swap one token card, like this person, you are able to swap one of your tokens with any other player's token. You are not able to flip it over and see what either of the tokens are. This is why it's important to use your memory and try to remember what everyone has. Once you use an item card, it will go into the discard pile. You are able to use up to as many item cards as you have or none at all, and once you are done, you will verbally say you are switching to the next person. The next person will pick up their item card and decide if they want to use it or pass their turn on to the next person. If you have a reverse value card, you are able to switch the value of any token on the board. By doing this, you put a star on the token. If it is a poison, then the token will switch to a lucky, and if it's a lucky, the token will switch to a poison. This is where it's important to remember which ones are lucky and which ones are poison, so you don't switch the wrong one. After you use the card, it will go in the discard pile, and now you will say if you want to use your item card again or switch to the next person. Make sure you verbally state that you are done and would like to go to the next person. If you have a swap all tokens card, you are able to swap all 3 of yours for all 3 of another player's. You can't pick and choose, it has to all be of one player. So make sure you choose the player you want to swap with, swap all 3 of them, and remember not to look at the bottom. Once you have finished using that item card, you will put it in the discard pile. And don't forget to take your new item card at the beginning of your turn. The next person will go and take their new item card and decide if they are going to use their item cards. If you have a reveal tokens card, that means you are able to choose one token on the whole entire board to reveal. It may only be one token, but it can be any of yours, or it can be another player. Once you flip it over, reveal it, you'll flip it right back over, and then you'll put your item card into the discard pile, and once you are done, you move to the first person. Once you complete the rotation one more time, you are at the end of the round, and it is time to reveal everyone's tokens. What you will be looking for is for 3 poison tokens, and since there are 3 poison tokens right here, but there's a star on top, the star indicates that this will be switched to a lucky token. This means no one will be out this round, and you will shuffle all the tokens and repick, shuffle all the item cards, and then start a new round. Now we're going to show you what it's like for someone to get out. If someone has 3 poisons, like shown here, you will take out 2 poisons and 1 lucky and discard them off to the side. Now that you have discarded 3 tokens and there are 3 people left, you will turn over all the tokens and reshuffle them. Reshuffle the deck and start a new round. Keep going until 1 person remains. Hope this helps. Now have fun.